In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmerge cells in Google Sheets. If you've ever received a spreadsheet where headings or labels have been merged across several columns and you need to work with the individual cells, again, unmerging is quick and restores the grid so you can sort, filter, or enter data more precisely. Start by going to Google Sheets and opening the spreadsheet that contains the merged cells you want to fix. You can use any browser, just make sure you're signed in and the file is open. If you're already in the right sheet, you're good to go. Next, click the merged cell or cells you want to unmerge. Merged cells usually stretch across multiple columns or rows and often look center-aligned over a wider area. If you're not sure which parts are merged, click once and look for a highlight that spans more than one cell. You can unmerge one region at a time or select multiple merged areas by holding Shift or dragging your mouse to include them in a single selection. Now move to the top menu bar and click Format. This is where Google Sheets keeps a lot of layout and alignment tools, including merging options. When the menu opens, look for the Merge Cells option in the list. Click Merge Cells to reveal more choices. This submenu is where you control how cells are combined or separated. Since we want to restore the original grid, choose Unmerge. As soon as you click Unmerge, Sheets will split the selection back into individual cells. Here's what happens when you unmerge. The content that was in the merge block stays in the top left cell of that block. The other cells that were part of the merge become empty again. Most formatting, like background color and borders, will generally remain, so your layout won't lose its style. If you unmerge several regions at once, each one is handled the same way. If you click Unmerge and nothing changes, it likely means the selected cells weren't merged to begin with. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If you unmerge by mistake, you can use Undo to go back. After unmerging, you can type into the newly freed cells, adjust column widths, or apply wrapping so long text fits the way you want. And if you plan to sort or filter a table, unmerging first helps prevent errors and makes your data easier to manage. That's it. Open your sheet, select the merged area, go to Format, choose Merge Cells, and click Unmerge. You'll have your original grid back and ready for clean, accurate editing.